Okay, Animal Company just got a new update. So, this is actually a new map. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this TV is glitched because, yeah. But you may be wondering, why is there a green Shrek telling me I'm busted? Well, you can't get here by normal means, so I'm going to show you, how to get in this map. Because nothing's finished, as you can see. This is mines. Okay. Yeah, so we just died. As you can see, we're back in the normal map. Everything here. Oh yeah, bought a sick hat. Anyway, what you're going to need is a bag, 2 rockets, this umbrella, you want a hookshot, and you also want a heart gun. So you want to come over to sewers, and then up here, you don't need a grappler, but I recommend it. Then you just slide under here. And you'll see the lab. You just need to jump. You just need to jump to that. Watch out for this wall though, because it might ruin your jump. You can also just do this. And now say goodbye to your grappler, because you don't need it. No, no, no! Okay. You want to place that there. That aside. Put the umbrella on your back. Go under the lab, not inside. You'll see like a static thing over there. Oh, before you do this, I almost forgot. Turn that blue. Aim for the... Oh, watch out for the ocean. I almost just died. Okay, oh no. Yeah, and now you're in the map. It's pretty cool. There's not much finished stuff though. You can actually sell stuff, and I'm pretty sure. So we're just going to test that. Yeah, everything else works the same. Yeah, you can actually sell stuff, and it does give you money. If you do get here though, I don't recommend going in the tech tree or stash, because it just teleports you back when you leave. Yeah, and that's why they call you busted. This is probably where the lab is going to be, from my guess. But, I don't know. We also have that room, that's a stage. I'm gonna buy a big flashlight to show you. And yeah. There's not much in here. It's kind of a small room. And that's really what I don't like about this, is that the map is just too small. Like, if any of you have seen Supply Water, then... Yeah, I don't know how we're going to be able to record more videos like that. So, I do hope they fix that. I think this is Forest? Oh, bye. That's definitely mines. I hope they add more of these because, like, only a certain amount of people are able to go in the tech tree. If not. Oh, we don't need that. If we get, this up. There's actually... Oh my... Okay, we almost got stuck. There's cool, like, little details. Like, a couch you can sit on. There's also this parkour zone type of thing. Yeah, so this is where the TV was moved. Do the parkour soon, because it's probably going to be removed. Yeah. And here, you have mini parkour. No! Okay. Yeah. That's really it for this update. kind of update. I don't even know if there's more up here. This is probably like the new spawn thing when you finish a run. I'll show you what I mean. I'll put an image up. Yeah. Let's see if we can get on top of this. No. Okay. It has no collision, so we're probably able to go through it. Yep. This is a good hiding spot. Oh yeah, next to Nut Horizon, or Tetri, is probably going to be Office. Okay. This is probably going to be Office. Can't hear anything, so yeah. Well, yeah, that's really it. I don't know if you can use the stash. Actually, let's test that out. Okay, you can use the stash perfectly fine. Everything works. So yeah, that's really it for this update. Wait, what? Okay, there's like there's a wire there. Okay. And yeah, that's really it. So I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a subscribe. Goodbye.